Today, we're diving into the DWLCWY fiber optic USB-C to USB-C cable, designed to revolutionize your connectivity experience. Built on the USB 3.2 Gen 2 standard, this active optical cable boasts impressive speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, making it ideal for demanding applications like VR setups, high-resolution cameras, and data-intensive projectors. What sets this cable apart is its use of optical fiber, ensuring not only lightning-fast data transfer, but also enhanced durability and flexibility compared to traditional copper cables. The zinc alloy housing and 24K gold-plated connectors add to its robustness, promising longevity even with frequent use. Compatibility is key here, as it supports a wide array of devices ranging from laptops and monitors to gaming consoles like PS5 and Xbox. Whether you're transferring large files, streaming high-definition video, or connecting peripherals, this cable delivers seamless performance without compromise. One of its standout features is the anti-interference design, minimizing signal loss and ensuring stable data transmission. This is crucial for maintaining reliable connections, especially in busy electronic environments. Available in lengths up to 65.4 feet, 20 meters, the DWLCWY cable offers flexibility in setup, catering to various spatial needs without sacrificing performance. It's a testament to modern engineering where speed meets resilience. Backed by a solid 2-year warranty, DWLCWY stands behind their product, promising hassle-free support should you encounter any issues. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best in high-speed, reliable connectivity for your devices, the DWLCWY fiber optic USB-C to USB-C cable is an excellent choice, combining cutting-edge technology with durability and seamless performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.